Now I'm going to tell you about the unique trading strategy called binary Gambit. This is a winning strategy for earning money on binary options developed by successful traders exclusively for Olymp Trade binary options broker. This strategy allows to make money on financial markets with no risk. Well, that's what exactly you need to do. Firstly, you have to look at the economic calendar presented on the trading platform. Pay attention to only the news marked with 3 bull heads. That news is of the highest importance. If the news is about the USA, it will affect all the currency pairs with US dollars, for example, Euro US dollars or US dollars Japanese yen. Secondly, go to the trading platform. 1 minute before the news outlet, open 2 trades per 10 minutes, each on a single currency pair. The first one, where the price is forecasted to go up, and the second one, where the price is forecasted to go down. At the moment of the important news outlet, the market shall start fluctuating. In next 1 minute, when it becomes clear which directions the schedule of the given currency pair moves, cancel a losing trade by pressing Close the Trade button, available only with Olymp Trade binary options broker. Now you have to wait for 9 minutes until the option is over and get the profit. Let's see the particular example of how the given strategy works. We shall open the economic calendar presented on the trading platform and find some important news. We can see that in 2 minutes at 5 p.m. the report on pending home sales in the USA. This news is marked with 3 bull heads, which means it will impact the currency pairs with US dollars. Nobody knows in advance whether the new value is higher or lower than the previous one. However, for such exact cases, the above winning strategy has been developed. It's time to come back to the trading platform. Time 10 minutes and the transaction amount $100. At 4:59 p.m., a minute prior to the news outlet, we shall open 2 traders forecasted up and down correspondingly. At 5 p.m., the news is released and the schedule starts fluctuating up and down. Our task is not to get trapped. This is just a market noise. It's better to wait for 1 minute till 5:01 p.m. The schedule has gone down deeply. At this moment, it becomes clear how the investors have responded to the statistics data. It's evident that the down forecasted trade brings us profit, while the other trade is detrimental. So, it's the time to cancel it by pressing Close the Trade button. We are to wait just a few minutes till 5:39 p.m., the trade's closing time. Here it is, the trade is over and it is profitable. So, the profitable trade fully reimburses the cost of cancellation of the losing trade. Thus, we earn up to 15% of our deposit for just 10 minutes. Well, now you are aware how to always remain in the black by applying to this non-risk strategy of trading with important news.